Aloha and welcome to another episode of Blues and Oranges, brought to you by After School All-Stars Hawaii. My name is Aunty Lei and I am the site coordinator at Waikea Intermediate. If you're new here, please don't forget to follow and subscribe. We are After School All-Stars Hawaii on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm glad to have you in the kitchen with me. Today, we will be making a simple frozen yogurt dessert. Today's dessert will be very simple. You will only need 3 ingredients. We are going to use some Cool Whip, a little bit of yogurt. Any brand and any flavor that you prefer is fine. I like strawberry, so that's what I'm going to use today. And honey graham crackers, also any brand will do. You will need from the cupboard a baking dish that can go into the freezer and a mixing spoon. I'm going to take half of the container of Cool Whip and I'm going to put it into a mixing bowl. And then I'm going to add the yogurt to it. I'm going to do about half a container first and to about 1 container. So you just add it in and then you just mix it up. And once you have a nice mixture and it's all combined, then you can stop and we'll move on to the next step. Now that we have our mixture all mixed up, we're gonna take our graham cracker. We're just gonna crack it right down the middle and place it like that. And then you're gonna take a large spoonful of the mixture and put it right inside the center and spread it all around. And you can be very generous, so place another spoonful there. And then all you do is you take your other graham cracker and you place it right on top. So I'm gonna do one more because I've got room. So place that one there on the bottom. Take a large spoonful. You're gonna leave this in the freezer for about an hour to an hour and a half until the treat is nice and frozen. So this is how it looks now, and we'll take another look when we're done freezing it. So our treats have been in the freezer for about 1 hour, and this is how they came out. This will be a nice, it's similar to like an ice cream sandwich, so I hope you and your family get to enjoy it in these nice hot summer days. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time. Aloha.